So hey guys, welcome back. So I have reached Bali Airport right now, and as you can see behind me, there's all these decorations going on, and yeah, pretty excited to be back here again. So I come from Malaysia. I did not come directly from Bangalore or India because Bangalore is just pictured because I stay there. So I straight up came from Malaysia. I was there for Malaysia for a couple of hours, and then yeah, I've taken the flight and come here. No questions asked from an immigration perspective, even in Malaysia and even in Bali as well. So nothing has changed since the last time I came. But right now they have introduced allindonesia.com, where that not an app. Yeah, you do have app and both. Online version of it where you can fill in all your details and then kind of generate a QR code, and then you share that right here instead of the long hassle stuff that you used to have before. So that has changed. So we'll quickly get out of this airport and kind of show you how do we take the cab and what's next from here, right? And I don't have my SIM card here. I'm not planning to purchase anything from here because I know it's going to be expensive. So right now I have a roaming SIM with me, and after that I go out, I'm going to grab a maybe XL or some other Hotlink maybe. I'm not sure what I'm going to get. So yeah. They have some sort of show here. This is where you can fill the All Indonesia immigration form. And you do have Wi-Fi here, guys. So I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Guys, the best thing is they have the Wi-Fi here. That's what you need actually. Once you get down, you'll see the duty free here, and then you head straight out. That's the baggage claim that you guys have. And then from there you gotta show the QR code and stuff that you actually got generated. It's actually a pain. I feel it's not that hassle free. Even the last time I came, I kind of felt the same. Okay, so as soon as you're done with all those items, your customs going your QR code, this is where you'll be ending up. And then from here you have your SIM card and all that. It's actually a rip-off here, guys. The prices are very much expensive here, guys. So you go straight out. If you want the SIM card, go for it. If not, don't. So that's how you gonna go. Thank you. And then straight up you go out. A lot of these small shops here. Money exchange. Oh, they have Johnny Rockets. It's a burger stuff. But last time when I came in, this wasn't here actually. They have Starbucks. So last time I remember I came here and I kind of forgot to get my jacket. So one of the guy from behind ran to me and he kind of gave it. Okay, so you have two options. One, you got to go left and then right. So go towards left, you'll get a Gojek and Grab service there. So I'm booking my Grab right now. So guys, I'm still walking. I'm walking towards the Grab bike lounge. So yeah, it's been another walk. So guys, there's no much direction to the bike lounge, but if you guys want to go to the Grab, the normal lounge, it's easier. Oh yeah. Yeah, this was, yes. Sorry for the delay, I've been walking around. Yeah. Okay. So I actually went to the Grab lounge car, car lounge. So they asked me to come out actually. Yeah, walking. I thought it was nearby there.